Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Students, how are you? Hopefully, all of you are fine by the grace of Allah Azza wa Jal. From today, we start our lessons of maths. Our lesson number 1, the topic is counting. In your previous class, all of you know that how to write counting in words, numbers from 1 till 1000. Today's your classwork is write in numbers 1 till 1000 in your notebook. All of you know that counting starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, then 10, after 10, 11, till 20, then 30, and in the 10 series we get 91. After 92, 93, 94, 95 till it becomes 100, starting the 100 series. After 100, 101, 2, 3, 4 till 110. 120, 130, 140, then till 200. Then we start 201, 202, and in 200 series 300. Then 400, 500 till 900. After 900, what we have to write? 901, 2, 3, 4, 5, 910. At the end, we get 990. Here, after 990, 991, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 999. After 999, the series of 1000 start and we write after 999, 1000. From like this, you have to write counting from 1 till 1000 in your notebook. Okay, students, now quickly start writing in your notebooks from 1 till 1000. Another topic is Roman numbers. As all of you know that numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and onwards. These are also called Arabic numericals, because they are invented in India and were passed on to Europe and other parts of the world by Arab traders several hundred years ago. The Arabs were very good at maths. Before this, most people, especially in Europe, used numericals, which look completely different. These are the numericals invented by Romans. Romans are the symbols represent the numbers. Like 1, it represented by I, 2, 2I, 3, 3I, 4, I and V. Before V we write I, it becomes 4, and for 5 it is only V. For 6 we write first V, then I, it becomes 6. For 7 V and 2I. For 8 V and 3I. For 9 it is 1 and X. For 10 it is only X. Look at the book, page number 4. Here is the Roman numbers 1 till 10 with their symbols. Like this, 1I, 2 for 2I, all these are the Roman numbers 1 till 10. Now here are the challenges for you. If it is 1x minus v, now what do you think? What is the number? 1 or x, it is 9, minus v means minus 5. Now the number is 9 minus 5. It is 4. Good. And 5 plus 9, it is 14. Now 10 minus 2, it is 8. Now here are the numericals 1 till 10. Now we start from 11. For 11, what is the symbol? First write x, symbol of 10, and after x write I, it is 11. For 12, x and 2i. For 13, x and 3i. For 14, symbol of 4, and before symbol of 4, 10. For 15, x and symbol of 5. For 16, x and symbol of 6. For 17, x and symbol of 7. For 18, x and symbol of 8. For 19, x and the symbol of 9, it is 19. And for 20, it is x and 2x, the symbol of 20. Now in your notebook start writing 1 till 20 in Roman numbers. Now quickly start writing 1 till 20 in your notebooks in Roman numbers. Now another topic is 4-digit numbers. All of you know that numbers start from 1, then 10, then 100, and after 100 what is the 1000. If we have 1-digit number, it is 1. If 2 digits number, it is tens. If 3 digits number, it is 100. If we have 4-digit numbers, it becomes 1000. Now all of you know that 4-digit numbers are called thousands. Now open page number 6 of your book. Here is a 3 digits number 999. If we add one more to 3 digits number 999, it becomes 1000. Now what you have to do, complete your exercise by the help of this on page number 7. Count and write. This box represents 100 and this represents thousands. What you have to do, write the box and then write it in your notebook. Like this, 2 boxes of 1000, 1 box of 100 and 2 bars of 10. The number is 2120. You have to write this in your notebook, 2120, and draw the beads over there to represent this. In thousands, how many beads? 2. In hundreds, how many beads? 1. And in tens, how many beads? 2. And in 0, in ones, nothing is there. Now what you have to do? Draw the beads and write the numbers. Now your classwork is page number 7 of your textbook. Now open page number 7. Write the date over there and start writing your work. 2 boxes of 1000, it is 2000. 1 box of 100, 1, and 2 bars of tens, it is 20. Nothing in ones. Now draw the beads. 2 beads of 1000, 1 bead of 100, 2 beads of tens, and the bead of ones. Another example. How many boxes of 1000? 1. How many boxes of 100? 4. How many bars of tens? 5. And how many units of ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now by the help of this, draw the beads. In thousands, how many draw? 1. In hundreds, 4. In tens, 5. And in ones, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Like this, complete your exercise part D and E. Now quickly start your exercise and complete your work. Another topic is 4-digit numbers and their names. Now open your textbook, page number 8. On this page, in the following example, Sarah has written the names of 4-digit numbers. Now what we have to do, write the names of the 4-digit number. If the number is 4824, how we write the name? 4824. FOUR 4. THOUSAND 1000. EIGHT 8. HUNDRED 100. AND TWENTY 20. FOUR 4. 4824. We have to write in words. Now 5630. The name of the 4-digit number is 5630. 8700. 8700. No value of tens and no value of 1. Now 3409. 3409. Why we are not naming the tens? Because there is 0 in the place of tens. If there is a 0 in any place, then we are not write the name of that place. Your classwork is page number 8 of your textbook. Now open page number 8. First write the date over there. Then start writing. The number is 6720. The name of the number is 6720. Now you have to write the names. 6000, 720. Like this, you write all the names of these digits. In this case, if the number is 7900, in place ones, the number is 0. In place tens, the number is 0. Now, the name of the number is 7,000 and 900. Now, like this, complete your exercise all A till H. Now start your exercise and complete the name of all these digits. Quickly complete the exercise, page number 8. Now students, write your homework. Page number 9, question number 2 and 3. Now open page number 9. I will explain you and you have to write and complete your work at your home. Write the number that matches each name. The names are given and you have to write the numbers. 2366. You have to write a number, 2 thousands but 2, hundreds 3, 30, 66, 10, 6 and 1, 6. Now 5604. In thousands, 5. In hundreds, 6. And in ones, 4. And in tens, if there is no number, you have to write 0. Like 5604 and in tens, 0. Complete it, part A till H. Now question number 3. Write these numbers in thousand, hundred, tens and ones. What you have to do? Expand the numbers in thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. How many thousands? 1000. How many hundred? 500. How many tens? 8 tens. How many ones? 9 ones. Like this. Look at exercise part F. How many thousands? 2. Hundreds? 0. Tens? 0. And ones? 8. Like this, if we write part E, what we have to write? Thousands? 4000. Hundred? 0. Tens? 2 tens. And ones? 6 ones. Now complete question number 2 and 3 as your homework in your textbook.